Far out in the Pacific Ocean lies an island paradise called Guam. Surrounded by crystal-clear waters and covered in lush tropical forests, it seems like a peaceful corner of the world. For thousands of years, Guam's ecosystem existed in remarkable balance. Its forests provided shelter, food, and safety for countless species. Colorful native birds filled the skies. Their calls echoed through the jungle from sunrise to sunset, creating a soundtrack unique to the island. Generation after generation, these birds raised their young high among the trees, largely free from the predators found in many other parts of the world. Life appeared stable and secure. But hidden beyond the horizon, a threat was slowly making its way toward the island. After World War II, military activity across the Pacific increased dramatically. Ships, aircraft, and cargo moved between islands on a massive scale. Among the countless supplies being transported was something nobody intended to bring. It arrived quietly, hidden among cargo and equipment, completely unnoticed by the people unloading supplies. That accidental traveler was the brown tree snake, a species native to other parts of the Pacific region. At first glance, it seemed harmless, but this predator possessed all the qualities needed to thrive in a new environment. Once it reached Guam, the snake found ideal conditions. Food was abundant, and there were few obstacles standing in its way. Most importantly, Guam's native birds had never evolved alongside snake predators. They didn't know what danger looked like. They had no instinct to flee or defend themselves against this new threat. The brown tree snake quickly adapted to its surroundings and began hunting under the cover of darkness. Night after night, it climbed trees and searched the forest canopy for nests filled with eggs and young birds. One by one, nests disappeared. Many birds never had a chance to raise the next generation. As bird populations declined, snake populations continued growing larger and larger. The invasion spread across the island with astonishing speed. Within just a few decades, Guam had become home to an enormous number of brown tree snakes. The consequences for native wildlife were devastating. Bird populations collapsed throughout the island. Several native species disappeared entirely from Guam, victims of a predator they were never prepared to face. The forests became noticeably quieter. Areas that once echoed with birdsong fell silent. For many residents, the change was impossible to ignore. The sounds they had grown up hearing were slowly fading away. By this point, the brown tree snake had become one of the island's most successful predators. But the invasion was no longer just an environmental problem. As snake numbers increased, they began appearing in homes, businesses, and public infrastructure. Many climbed electrical poles and transformers, accidentally causing short circuits and power failures. Entire neighborhoods sometimes lost electricity because of a single snake making contact with electrical equipment. Scientists and conservation experts realized that immediate action was necessary. Teams began monitoring ports, inspecting cargo, setting traps, and using specially trained detection dogs to stop the snakes from spreading further. Conservation programs continue working to protect surviving wildlife and restore damaged ecosystems whenever possible. Today, Guam's story serves as a powerful warning. Sometimes the greatest environmental disasters don't arrive through war, storms, or earthquakes. Sometimes they arrive hidden in a cargo crate. The brown tree snake changed an entire island forever, reminding us how fragile nature can be when a new predator enters an ecosystem unprepared for its arrival.
We bring more devastated stories like this. If you're interested in our research, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to notify on our next video.